Did you not see me?
No, I saw you.
Well, why did you keep driving then? Oh! Absolute piece of shit. No, come on. Careful, dude. Such a tight fucking corner. Oh, what's wrong with you? Did you not see me or something? Did you not see me?
No, I saw you.
Did you not hear the horn?
That horn now I heard.
Well, you didn't hear my horn?
No.
Did you not look?
Yes, I did. But
Well, why did you keep driving then?
You shouldn't go back down in a road.
Seriously? I know, but reverse it, out of out in the wrong direction.
God, you're only a fucking pound!
Really? Yeah. Yeah, but what really? You really want to try and get in there? What really? You really want to try and get in there? Stop sign. You can't turn right there, dude. You can't turn right, man.